I'm King Jimmy and I'm going to make this into a candle. So first we're going to need to cut that out. I am going to be using this candle and melting it so we can get the wick out. And then we're going to use one of these colors. Just make the color for this so we can have a nice orangish color. So we can have a Halloween colored candle. So we're going to be melting it when the water is bubbling. Turn this on. Now the crayons have given it a nice orange color. Now we just have to wait for this to melt. And I'm just mixing it around with some chopsticks. Crayon is completely melted and now we have to take out the wick. So let's take it out and we're gonna save the wick. Wait until the candle starts to melt more. So completely melted. Now it has a really nice orange color. Okay, I'm gonna now put this in here by gluing it. So I'm gonna take the hot glue gun. Kids, be very careful with the hot glue gun, especially right here. It gets very hot and it steams sometimes. So we're gonna put some like right there. And now we're gonna pull off the string and we're gonna stick this thing in, baby. Now we're gonna pour the wax in, so be very careful. All the way to the top. We have a lot left, so I hope it doesn't spill out. Always use chopsticks if your wick is not staying in place. So we're just gonna have to wait until the wax hardens and then we're gonna try and light it. My candle is done. It looks amazing. Now we're gonna light it. So let's see if it lights. Let's go! It lights! Yes! That is so cool. It actually lights. Thank you for watching my video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.